Little mail call time. I actually got this several days ago, but kind of been down with a cold. Finally starting to get over it, mostly. This is from Ebomey. You may know his channel, but actually I think this came off of his secondary channel, the Captain D. I'll put links down below, whichever one. Oh yeah. I want a little giveaway. He was giving these things away. resqme. What is it? It's like a little window brake. Let me open this thing up. Little window brake thing to keep in your car. You can also cut seatbelts with it. Alright, take a look at the instructions if you get one of these things. It does say the original car escape tool, made in the USA. That's really awesome. But comes with a little keychain thing, whatever. You can put that around this black piece here. I wouldn't rock this as on your keychain though, because it does have a danger point here. That's the glass break, but you can hang this on your rearview mirror, or it does come with a little zip tie. You can zip tie it onto something, but someplace that it's not gonna be getting a wreck, it's not gonna be lost in the shuffle, where you can just grab it, or in an emergency situation, you know, grab it off of wherever you have this dangled, tied to, and then you have your seatbelt cutter right there, that blade. Seatbelts are notoriously hard to actually cut, believe it or not, so something like this is going to be helpful. Get it from the side, and whether it's you or someone else stuck in another car, if there's another accident out there, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall that for safety. But then this piece right here, and I can't demonstrate it with my finger. I'll try to find something to demo it on. But this is a glass break right there. You think it's not like the movies where you can just bust out a side window. Those things are kind of tough, even though they're safety glass, most of them. And they're going to shatter in like a bunch of little pieces. But you can't just hammer fist them out normally. So something like this, you push this against the bottom corner of the window, ideally, side window, and it's going to push this black piece in, and then the metal rod in there is going to spike out and ideally shatter it. And you can do it multiple times. And I don't know if this is going to be stiff enough on the back. I'm going to try to see if I can push this in and without damaging my finger. It's going to work. Oh, you heard it. So, yeah, just a little puncture right there. Alright kids, don't try this at home, but I got to pop out. That's what it looks like, to satisfy your curiosity and mine. And it pops out with a lot of force, so do not try that with your finger. It's that little needle point looking puncture, and break that glass, save the day. Thanks Ebomey, Captain D, whatever you're going by nowadays. I'm going to put this in my vehicle. Hopefully never need it, right? But it's there if I do. Boom.